Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to add payment methods to Canva. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, open Canva and auto reset your profile and click on home and click on right corner your profile. Scroll down and click on settings. Alright, this is your settings, and the left corner billing and plans. Alright, and click on add a payment methods so you can purchase premium image and vectors. Click on add payment method and click on credit or debit card, write number card, monthly and yearly, and CVS, and select your region and click on save. Alright, or click on PayPal and select your region and click on connect and open PayPal and connect your PayPal. And that's all.